Hello.
Oh my God.
Hi, gorgeous.
So good to see you.
Christy and I have been friends since we were 20. It's one of the most important friendships and relationships in my life right now.
We're actually looking to buy a house together. And I would love nothing more for you to be a part of this, to help design and create the most beautiful space.
I'll take design my house over bridesmaid any day.
We definitely need your help to be able to keep us in budget. Christy has a very expensive taste.
Yeah, I know. So you do know that her and I have the same taste.
Well, I don't know how that's gonna work.
I can rein her in, but here's how I can help you with budget. I can help you save in certain places to afford her budget. I'm so happy that my best friend's engaged. I love her new fiance. She's got to plan a wedding. She's got a lot of things she's got to do. So if I can take some of that off of her hands and make her dream home truly a dream, like, I'll do it. Christy and Christian just closed on a house in Summerlin, and really, Summerlin's such a beautiful place. It's got really high-end shopping and restaurants. Right out of college, I got hired by a home builder. This house, I did.
Yeah. There was a lot of things that I loved, but there was a lot of things I did not love. And
I love it all.
one is this street here.
What do you mean you love it all?
I love the whole house. I wouldn't change a bit.
You guys are going to have a little bit of a struggle because you are like me, where it's spend, spend, spend.
No, no, no.
But then I also have parts of you where it's like, here's where we can save, save, save.
We're both alphas, so we both
Three
want to get
alphas.
our way. And if she doesn't get her way, it's...
See ya.
I think it's great too having, you're kind of like the mediator in between what she wants, what I want, and just finding a happy medium for both of us.
So let's start with the living space. We're in Vegas, right? It's indoor, outdoor living. You're walking in the front door. This is the moment. And the moment gets stopped.
right in front.
With this.
Yeah.
She's gonna smash her face into that.
Associating costs with this isn't a little walk in the park, let's just put a big beam here and it's done. What if we just eliminate one column?
I will compromise in other areas. This is something that's so important to me. This is the aha, slap in your face, wow. This is another important thing.
Yes, you have a
This
whole
is gonna be my
courtyard.
I just hit his top.
See, you just hit the column. He just hit the column.
You just ran into the column you didn't want to take out.
There goes our budget.
First decision, done. Now we're gonna lose the columns, and then we're gonna open up the living room with giant glass multi-sliders. We're gonna have a marble mantle on one side, and we're gonna do the arched built-ins recessed on either side of it. And on the other end, we're gonna have a beautiful custom bar and even more arches in the shelving, along with antique mirrors. And if we're talking money, let's go to the money spot. The kitchen is where you're gonna spend a lot.
This is the money pit.
Yeah. You've got a lot of like moments, right? You walk into the courtyard, wow. You walk into the front door, wow. You walk into the column, ow.
Ow.
That was good. That was good. That was good.
This is something. All right, can we not keep these? Do you like these?
I'm not mad at him.
Wow, see, this is the problem. One of the things we've had a lot of issues with is how far away we are from the kitchen. So I would really love to have a water bottle refrigerator, maybe have a cup of coffee so I don't have to go up and
Coffee
down,
bar,
up and down,
coffee,
something. Yeah.
and that leads to the main bath. You know I love arches, so I do love the arch on the shower.
Me too.
I love this. Drop-in tub, you're a big tubber. This is a moment. This has to be like, wow.
Especially
Right?
from that focal point, 100%.
It's gonna be a big job. And you know, I do this for a living. Christian does this for a living. Christy dabbles in this and she's really good at design, but it is going to be a little bit of a struggle. This is almost 4,000 square feet and every square inch of this has to be completely redone. And we're not talking just little things. We're talking major, major construction in some spots. I think they're looking at like 450. Christian agreed to remove all the columns in the living room. Now that's $13,000 right out of the gate. It's a big price tag, but the columns are in the way of everything. Things are really moving at Grand. Exterior demo for the additions underway. The support beam to carry the load of the house where the columns were is being installed. And the openings for the multi-sliders are finally getting framed.
It's going great.
Christy's in town for 2 days. I'm like, you gotta come to Chicago. This is where we antique. Because there's really not a lot in Vegas.
No, there really isn't.
Christian told me, and I said, yeah, you know, Christy's coming shopping with me. He's like, I'm so scared.
All's well?
Good to see you. So, favorite things in life, sleeping, antiquing, and drinking.
Right. We got you covered with all that. Cheers.
Like, read it.
Cheers.
This is incredible. What is it called again?
Reeded.
Reeded.
I bet I could sell this to Christy.
I know, I'm actually looking at it like,
She says yes to very expensive items. I've been telling you about the piece that I want to see in the kitchen. Right now, there's this big, old, clunky, stupid bar.
Oh, it's horrible.
It's like, it was cool back in the day, but like...
I don't even think back in the day
it was cool because I built it.
Oh.
This is your kitchen.
Oh my God, this is perfect.
Remember what I said?
This is
when
so
we find the
perfect.
piece, we build the house around it. This is the piece. Gorgeous.
It is, it's sick.
You said you had
And
measurements.
yes, family
Let me have
room
these.
and, oh, we ready for this?
I know.
So 6'1" is what we have, right? Not 6'9". Oh, for sure, that'll fit.
Let me get the
That'll for
tape.
sure fit.
Yep. 6 feet.
Nailed it. Perfect.
Sold. We don't know how much it is.
You, like,
Yes, we
build it
do. This is only, don't look. It's $9,500. I bet you that Stu will do something
Okay, let's
very
get for
special.
$50.
Hey, Stu.
Oh my God, we're gonna do this now?
He's right there. Okay. What do you think the deal can be?
We'll always make you a deal. That's for sure. We would do 15 or 20% off.
Having a moment.
I like it.
It's a
Another
moment.
Because it means something to you.
It really
speaks
does.
to you, and that's when you know that's the right piece.
And it's not about me anymore, it's about us. Our plan, our budget, and I have to keep him in mind.
Did you do that when we bought from Paris?
No.
Things are really coming together over Grand. Windows are going in. Drywall's complete on the arches behind the living room bar. And upstairs, the luxury vinyl's going down. Meanwhile, Christy and Christian are still in Chicago.
Today I'm coming to Christian's office, and we are going to finalize what our scope of work is.
We're at 271.
Okay, we're over. 271.
The mantle put us over the top. The countertops put us over the top.
So when I was like, oh, Paris mantle, yeah, check. Hutch, check.
Christy made selections without really reviewing the budget.
Without thinking. I had my best friend with me.
She made commitments, which put us over.
Yes, that's true.
Grand is over budget, but they took my advice to add the main bathroom and Christy's closet to the scope of work. Meanwhile, all the tile on the mezzanine level's coming out, the French doors to the courtyard are going in, and in the living room, the next step is to get the bar installed. I'll be out in Vegas in a few days, but I'm really still looking for that perfect piece for their bedroom bar. At Salvage One, I'm missing one piece for Christy's house, and it's the upstairs main bedroom. We want to do like a liquor cabinet. It's actually really pretty. Oh, look, it's got the key. Hello. What is your hair? Your hair.
Yeah, it's like an 80s long mullet.
It's very like Three's Company. All right, I got fun news for you. Found something for your main bedroom. I think it's just a cool piece.
I love it.
Right?
Sold.
I'll put it on hold for you. The bar got loaded onto Christian's truck, and it's gonna be heading to Vegas. At Grand, they're tearing out the courtyard. Cabinets are on site, ready to go in. The addition's been drywalled, and the main bath has finally been demoed.
How much was this?
That was $7,000.
Yeah.
That's not bad for history. You know what it is, though? It's
Christy has a way of always getting away.
That's what I was just about to say.
You know, I'm ready to get my friends back. They have been working their butts off. It's just cool to see them, like, finally turn a house into a home. Sometimes working with friends can be, like, a little sticky and a little iffy, and it was both. Their budget was not realistic at all. No way, no how, no thank you. But we're still friends. We love each other more. The house is stunning. I'm so excited to see it. Look at this!
Isn't it amazing? I know.
You know what this room's missing?
What?
Columns. 4 columns. Multiple columns.
Please have
Have
the
a
first
drink.
cocktail at our bar.
You remember this mantle gave you a heart attack?
Yeah, it did.
Mantle looks great. Still a little over budget, but looks great. Now I know what a moment is. 20 grand later. That's what that gets you, damn moment.
Going to Paris is my favorite thing in the world. Finding something for my best friends that's now in their house forever, that you will bring to the next house and the next house. And then we just kind of added the niches.
It's art. I feel like it's a beautiful piece of
This
art.
is a magazine cover.
Every single thing has a beautiful position.
This?
I know. I'm obsessed with it.
It's such a masculine, feminine marriage of material. But this, going shopping with you in Chicago.
Oh my God.
And I know you had a heart attack every time we shopped.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How's the heart doing?
Oh, it's fine now.
Yeah? Because you're home.
Budget's way over, but it's fine.
I knew it would be over.
You did say.
Yeah. I said right where you are is where you'd be.
Back to the marble. I think we went 400.
Close to it.
Yeah, right, almost 400,000. But we did it, and we
Great
made it
job.
happen.
Oh, yeah.
I love this room. I love this room.
God.
Remember we had a wall here before?
Yeah.
I'm obsessed.
Look at the built-ins. Look at the fire. You wanted that fireplace all the way over there.
No, it's
Do
perfect.
you remember that?
Yes.
Like these doors open. You still have so much outdoor space. And that. I mean,
I know.
Come
this,
on.
This to me is like old and new. I know.
And it's Chicago. I mean, we've
Yeah.
got it. That's where we're from. And now it lives in your space. And
I love
these
it.
pieces of history are part of your story now.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I know, I'm
kitchen.
obsessed with it. This is my heart.
Oh, and the reeded island and the
I'm
waterfall.
obsessed.
The ledge, the niches, you wanting and really fighting for the windows. And just the look of this with like housing the fridge, freezer, wall oven, you know, microwave, drawer space, but it doesn't cut off from the rest of the house.
I agree.
You see the moments now?
I see it now.